This is our retailer engagement hub at APPEX24. So this was set up for our retailers to come in and educate suppliers on best practices, what's coming, and packaging trends as well. We also released our new Barcode Academy. The Barcode Academy allows suppliers to send their staffs to that location and learn all about our compliance to supply chain here in Australia. So new to our resources library is the Barcode Academy. So it's found at the base of the list there. So you can go along and you can learn everything about barcodes, 2D and 1D, and then you can go and test your knowledge on the Barcode Academy. So on the hub here we have iDSnet Cloud running. iDSnet Cloud is a free tool to print your labels. So you can print your SSEC labels, cross-dock labels, TUN labels, or even your fresh produce crate labels as well. Okay, so Woolworths have seen a significant reduction in their non-conformances for fresh crate labels, all on the back of iDSnet Cloud. So it's really simple to use. I'm going to print a TUN label for you today and show you how it works. All you need to do is select what you want to do, select your product, go next, enter a batch number. I'll just do a nice easy one. And then we need to select our printer. So I'm going to go TUN printer there because that's what I want to print, which is this one right here. I go next. I get to see my label. I can enter a quantity and then I just go print. Nice and simple. So at the show this year, on Tuesday morning, we released our new version of iDSnet. iDSnet's been around for a long time. We developed in the late 90s as a tool for manufacturers to be able to ensure the right code goes on the right product at the right time. We had to do we did a massive rebuild on that software platform. It's now a no-code, low-code platform, and we deploy it for a purpose. Essentially, you do not need to put any other applications on the devices that you want to use iDSnet. It is all browser-based and it's really simple and easy to use. As an example, I get to select my line. I can then see all my health of my printers. I select a product, I go next, and then up here in the right-hand corner, I get to see all my formats. I can see that I've got an Inkjet coder. I can see that I've got a TUN label onto my Carton printer. I can see that I've got a best before and batch going on a thermal inkjet printer. And then we also have an SSEC. And the SSEC is actually on the printer on the back there on an XL motorized stand. So when I go start run, the machine itself will move into position. The iDSnet is live and captures that information and tells us that the stand's even moving. Really simple, really easy, great platform that's accessible from any device. Another big benefit of iDSnet is our new line reporting tool. So that allows you to see your production efficiencies, how your lines are going, and then you can even work out what your problems are. So this one here, as an example, I can see that I was waiting on my forklift. If I want to see more information or a greater range of information, I simply change the date range. I can then go and see it in a pie chart. So I can now understand what my greatest problems are on my line, and I can start to work to improve those to increase my efficiencies. So now we've started our run. I've come over to the Inkjet and my message is already there waiting for me. So the operators didn't need to have any intervention to ensure that the right code ends up on the right product. If I print it right now, we can see that we've got the best before date that we set when we started the run. Nice and easy.
Continuous Inkjet is probably the most versatile inkjet solution on the market. It can handle high speeds, it can handle unusual shapes, and their ink chemistry means it can print on virtually any surface. This patented design of a hermetically sealed printer has been an outstanding innovation from Lynx from the very beginning. All components are hermetically sealed in there so they cannot be interfered with by solvents or other chemicals or even operators who interfere with the cabling. Whilst the Lynx has been designed specifically to minimise interruptions to your business, when you do have to interact with the equipment, whether it be to replace some consumables and fluids or to change messages, what sets Lynx apart is the simplicity, the responsiveness and the intuitive nature of the equipment. Simply open up to have direct access to both ink and solvent, and the solvent is a large capacity solvent to reduce the number of interactions again that you need to have with the equipment. You'll notice that the access panel is in a separate location to the main panel because we want to reduce the number of times that people might interact with the wrong part at the wrong time. And this is a nice and unique factor to Lynx's simplicity and reliability.
Right here's our TUN labeler. The TUN labeler is also controlled by iDSnet. Doesn't even need a controller. iDSnet's got it all under control. So when I put the box through the taping machine here, as you can see, it'll print and apply my first label, print and apply the second label, And we've got a validation scanner over the back there, ensuring that that's a readable barcode and you're ready to go to send that off to your suppliers. So the final piece of the puzzle is the Matthews Evo Label FlexWipe XL motorized stand. This allows you to apply a label to the front, the side, or even the rear of your pallet, depending on what your needs are based on your conveyor. As you'll see today, we're printing this SSCC label here and a little bit of information about Matthews as well in our QR code. By doing a rotation unit on our XL motorized stand, that allows us to print the label downwards in our portrait orientation and apply it landscape. You'll also notice that on this label here, we have a little 2D code. That's a GS1 data matrix. The GS1 data matrix has encapsulated all of the information in those two GS1 128 barcodes. As you can see, it's a much more compact barcode type, really simple for scanners to read and really fast as well. You'll see the stand also moving up and down. We are measuring the height of our pallets and we're applying the labels in the two best positions that we can find on the fly. All done on the stand, controlled by iDSnet. By far the most popular item at the show this year has been the GSI high resolution printer. This is a UV cured ink and it's state-of-the-art technology that makes it really simple and really easy for operators to use. It can even print barcodes at speeds up to 150 meters a minute. Check this out. We've got text down to 1 millimeter. We've got GS1 128 barcodes and ITF14 barcodes. We've got QR codes. We've got a zebra. Check it out, so nice. So you thought that printing a label on a box at high speed was impressive. White, black, now we have CMYKW. Check it out, look at this. Straight away on the line, we're going to print at speed. Check that out.
At the show here today, we're exhibiting the Solaris 30-watt e-Solar Mark Plus laser. This laser is designed to print permanent marks onto packaging material. It's used in high-speed beverage applications where we're printing onto PET water bottles over 1,000 bottles a minute, or onto corrugated board where we're printing individual unique QR codes or 2D barcodes onto the packaging material. The laser is capable of printing all types of barcodes at speed, 2D barcodes, that being a normal GS1 data matrix 2D barcode or a QR code, along with human readable text. Matthews has successfully implemented a number of laser coding solutions onto high-speed beverage lines where we're capable of printing up to 2,000 cans a minute with our 100-watt fibre laser. The key benefit of the fibre laser technology and utilising laser technology for high-speed applications is the elimination of consumables, so no inks and no solvents. So from a sustainability and environmental aspect, laser coding is becoming, for high-speed applications, the preferred choice of marking and coding solutions. Very simple user interface, so operators can actually create their own messages, both human readable, date code, batch code from the touchscreen, or like all of Matthews' coding and labelling products, this system can be connected to iDSnet, our package code management solution, to ensure the right code goes on the right product.
Today we're showcasing both thermal inkjet and drop-on-demand printers. Powered by the Imperial Industrial Controller, one of the most intuitive, responsive, simple to use platforms in the industry. And when it comes to the most challenging industrial environments, whether it's brick, concrete, timber, metals, ceramics, whatever, you need a printer that you can rely on. And the Matthews DoD Industrial Inkjet drop-on-demand printer delivers on that. This 5th generation drop-on-demand printer boasts billion firings per nozzle, making it perhaps the most reliable DoD printer on the industry today. So our next major release at APPEX is the latest generation, or the next generation, of the L-Read editing marking systems. These portable handheld systems, combined with advanced thermal inkjet technology, means that you can literally take the print to wherever you need it. The ideal backup solution, and with L-Read's unique range of non-porous inks, you can literally print on any surface, anywhere, anytime. So in addition to all the features I just mentioned, the new portable is designed to connect in as many ways as possible. You can even connect with a handheld scanner. So as we scan the barcode in real time, scan and print perfectly each time.